Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 4 school teaching job vacancies in Abu Dhabi and Sharjah. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.alasadschool.com. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Al Asad Private School Abu Dhabi. In this school the main page itself it's showing 21-22 vacancies we are hiring. So if you look here you can get it from here. 21-22 vacancies we are hiring. So here they are giving one flyer. We are hiring 21-22 elementary classroom teachers, middle and high school English teacher, Arabic teacher, social studies teacher, elective teachers, media and technology. So if you are interested these job vacancies, please send your profile to hr@alasadschool.com. So here they are given here. Otherwise you can send an online application also. So if you are having skills you can apply as per the instructions. So here they are given application form. Here star asterisks are mandatory. So first one is applicant detail, full name and contact mobile number, email ID, position applied for. Then you can upload your cover letter and CV. Then finally you can click the send details. Once you are submitted you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So if you have any doubt about the fraud recruitment offers you can check it from here. So what they consider, so they are not asking any kind of payment. Al Asad Private School they are given here. So make sure before applying please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description etc. So their hiring and selection process involves interviews and assessment before any offer is made to candidate. So everything they are clearly mentioned here. So before applying please check all the details. Otherwise you can send your CV hr@alasadschool.com. In the flyer itself they are mentioned here. So you can check it from that flyer. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.saisabudhabi.com. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Sharjah American International School. So if in this main page one of the option contact, if you click this link contact you can get carriers. So in that carrier page they are offering one flyer. So they are hiring for available positions are elementary homeroom teacher, high school biology teacher, high school English teacher, psychology teacher, business studies and economics teacher. So these are the vacancies for in this school. Sharjah American International School Abu Dhabi. So if you are interested this job vacation, here they are mentioned interested applicant may submit their updated CV to schoolsais@yahoo.com. In that flyer also they are mentioned. You can check it from here. If you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from in the menu itself. What about the academics curriculum they are having? So you can get everything from the menu itself. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.eps.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Elite Private School. In this main page, menu available. One of the option in right corner, carriers available. If you click this link carriers, you can get what are the job openings for Elite Private School. So here they are given join our team. So make sure before applying, please check the details. So what they offer. So here they are given, they are offer excellent competitive salary, employment visa, annual flight ticket, health insurance for selected candidate, and most importantly, they offer exciting career opportunity to be a part of a multicultural and highly dedicated team. So here send your CV. If you click this link, you can get send your CV, your name and position desired, email ID, phone number, then message, cover letter in English, then CV in English. Once you have uploaded, you can submit your job application form. So this is the method of applying Elite Private School. So what are the vacancies in this school means maths teacher and physics teacher. So if you click this link maths teacher, you can get. So here they are mentioned. Elite Private School, Abu Dhabi seeking maths teacher. Candidate must have at least 2 years UAE experience and must have a bachelor or master qualification with a diploma or degree in teaching from recognized university. Invite application from proactive and dynamic candidate who are willing to join highly motivated team. Immediate join is preferred. So what they offer already mentioned, competitive salary. So all the things they are mentioned. Candidate who already possess ADEK approval as a maths teacher will be given for preference. So another way of applying, so if you click this link apply for this job in right corner, you can get the maths teacher job application form. Then finally you can submit your application. So this is the way apply to Elite Private School teaching job vacancies. The fourth one is you can enter in the URL www.viss.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, one of the option our community. If you click this link our community, you can get career opportunities. So here they thank you for the interest of Victoria International School. Grade 1 to 12 the school is diverse and pastoral learning environment teaching the Australian and IB curriculum. So what are the career opportunities? Primary school, generalist teacher, music, art, SEN. Secondary school teacher, head of science with chemistry or biology, chemistry, biology teacher, mathematics teacher, humanities, school counselor, SEN teacher. So if you are interested in these vacancies, you can submit application form along with the current CV and a letter of application via email to academicrecruitment@viss.ae. Please ensure the subject field of your email include the job title of the vacancy you are applying for to improve our filtering process. Only completed application will be considered. So how to apply means you can submit the application form. If you click this link application form, you can get it. This is the Victoria International School job application form. This form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Personal details, present employment, teacher aggregation, professional referees, finally you can give your declaration. Once this document is completed, please send it with your current CV to academicrecruitment@viss.ae. So there are only 4 sections to this application form. You will require to upload a letter of application maximum of 2 pages and a cover letter maximum of 2 pages. So please ensure you have all documents ready to upload, begin this process. So what they offer, so here they are mentioned here. What they offer means they offer ongoing professional development and promotion, including accommodation allowance, furnished staff housing, medical insurance, travel allowance and free or subsidized tuition for up to 2 children. Salary is tax free and includes an end of service contract gratuity. So these things are they are offering. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. You can get it everything from in the menu itself. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.